Yeah, my people, still your boy once again. Atakata boy one. Nani bonine. Always remember, anywhere you work rich, then tell you say there is no saying a setup. I don't bring one to come. This story now waiting they happen. You understand? Concerning Ghana artist and the Nigeria artist, you know what I mean. This guy called Chatawale, where they insult Nigeria artists, they talk to them anyhow. I like my people. I like Nigerians. Nigerians, they know who them pass. They don't send any fucking shit. All those people, they see everywhere they happen on social media. They see how they carry things, they work out, they talk different kind of things. And waiting me like pass, we say, all Nigeria artists, none of them even mind the guy. Like, none of them even, it don't be like, it just be like say they know they see him. They know they see person like him. Like it. Person like Chatawale, they exist for where they. You understand? They see him as let me just say they see him as a shit. Just they see him as a shit. Like nothing. And I like as it they happen. Now you own people. And then come they let them know say let them know the kind of person where him be, the kind of human being where him be. I don't want to talk too much. I want make you use your eyes. Watch and they listen to this video, then you will know and they understand what I'm trying to say. I don't want to talk much. Just be patient and watch this video to the end. You will understand and know the kind of human being Chatawale be. You understand me? Please don't forget to watch this video to the end. Thank you.
To you. Nigerians are not taking our nothing. Nigerians are hustlers. They are brave people. They are warriors. They are good. They know business. They are doing business. And when they come to Ghana, they bring money with them. They show money. What Chatawale where the Burna Boy seekers unyame ebe triaka if you know chop Burna Boy money. But you see, when Burna Boy fell in love with you, Chatawale, he believed in you. He trusted you as a brother. Naija brother from Naija we believe in Ghanaian brother. And what did you do? You pass him back, go chop in girlfriend. You betray the guy. You break the street code. The street code where you break him right there. Snitch. You were a snitch. Bitch. You snitch on your brother. At the end of the day, you are expecting that same brother to sit and dine with you. And eat and dine with you on the same table. Knowing very well that, you see, you snitch on your brother. At the end of the day, you are expecting that same brother to sit and dine with you. And eat and dine with you on the same table. Knowing very well that, you see, you have chopped in girlfriend behind him. You can equally poison his water. You can kill him. You can poison his drink. You can poison his food. Chatawale, that's what you've been doing to all of us. All of us that believed in you. All these years, you fucked every nigga up. For street. Where you they call yourself, You are not fighting for Ghana music industry. Hey, medical, money now, money careful. Because while they know they fight for any industry. Jupiter, Jajimienu, while they no get anybody at heart for the industry inside. Or you soon arguing, they use in mind. The black hole in shine, where while they calculate, say, these boys, they come. All of a sudden, boy from nowhere. Sad boys in the yard, blah, blah, in the song they go. It will come back and haunt you. All the people you are hurting, it will come back and hurt. Like myself. We followed you, we fought people in the industry. And today, you turn your back and snitch on all of us. Some of our brothers will chop them are girls. I don't want mention names. Because if I start a release secret, it go far. Some of the boys were around you, where you chop them are girls. If they bring them are girls to your house, then you will send them, take my car, go mechanic. Then as he go, then you chop in girl for him back. We know all the boys you chop them are girls. We know all the boys. You are working with Medical, who is married to Fela McAfee. They have a child. He's a responsible man. Your woman, you the other day. Michi is not a bad woman. He's a good woman. He supported you when you were nobody. You the unborn. You left farm, in the street, where they hustle on their own to pop the picking. Pop the picking. Where they claim say you be gangster. You be gangster. Gangster, they fight to survive home. You left your woman on the street. Stonebwoy, they call brother. He get wife. He born two. Family man. What did they do? He be family man. Sarkodie, wherever he did, he's married to Tracy. They get 2 children. Stonebwoy is married to his wife. His wife is a doctor. Don't fool yourself. Men Jimmy home. You have opportunity. God bless you. But if you don't take care, God will take that blessing from you because of the way you are treating the people around you. Continue on hurting people around you. And when we talk, people say make we no talk. Burna Boy has been hurt by Shatta Wale, who go chop in woman behind him. And the boy no one talk about him. The boy make him, he go Grammy. They doing thing. You won't benefit from him. They try make this thing the weakest among all of us. Shatta Wale knows that he's weak. Your insecurity is going to cause your downfall. Your insecurity is going to... You hurt your brother. Burna Boy came, he loved you, he gave you money, he showed you money. You chop Burna... If Shatta Wale never chopped Burna Boy money, make tender strike me. And Shatta Wale, if you ever chop Burna Boy money where you hurt him, make tender follow you everywhere you go. Make your life never... Make you never be successful. Me say you. But when I talk, it happen. You know me. You know where they come from. I know they talk. One say, 2 years ago, 2019, who block him in 2019, 2020. Me thinking you reason up. Me call interview me kasa. Me catch Shatta Wale should bring the family back. He should solve the problem. He is the solution. He should do this because of love. I thought you would do the right thing. The whole of 2021, I was hoping you do up. The same way Tini. It fucked Natalie, Joint, and itself. It fucked Blade, Lonzimu. It fucked everybody up. The way we put our hearts in this thing. We love this nigga. Where it just they hurt everybody. Hurts you. Traitor, betrayer. Shatta Wale is a snitch. Bad man snitch. And they tell you, Shatta Wale, make you people tell and say, he not safe. He not safe. Make he continue to live this snitchy life. Obia make Shatta Wale I'm kind of say Obia why anybody go and beg the person because the street ain't happy with you with these things where they do. When I tell him, he say me, I dey tell him something where he no like. Me feel wanna no start here. We start to tell people different stories. Start to call people they tell them things. But me, I love him. Tell him say, do it mo. Oh no. Probably maybe I make one of the Grammy in baby fee. But you people have decided to sideline and marginalize us and oppress us on the street. And you think we have to take it easy, take it cool. Fashion. We supported Shatta Wale because of the message he was preaching. Say, oh, street. Oh, we thought say he was with the street, but he's not. You don't date street and go pass your brother in back and go and fuck your girlfriend. Somebody they love. Your brother for street. Me, udi me girl, me buekun. Me buekun. Me, I no go come. I no be bitch. I no be bitch. I no be snitchy. I no girl and me the street we dey nya better sao. Now nyonko aduane e da ne table so akofa. No wafa unua na chi. Wafa Burna Boy fi Nigeria buy na or na mo no. Or the scanner buy bag ma. Shatta Wale if you no get money, Shatta Wale no go make you come close to him. Shatta Wale don't Burna Boy the Yahweh asenimu. Wo Shatta Wale ko di Burna Boy girlfriend. One can one someone show bia. He talk about him. He no talk about him. The guy they way they. But ask you they do your brother that. Your brother from Nigeria come Ghana. Say they can't do business. They bring money. Only in the disc no. That money where in the video Shatta Wale they post no. It not be Shatta Wale in money. It be Burna Boy in money. Where did they show him like that? Burna Boy in money. Shatta Wale chop some. The first say nigga come Ghana, or in Nigeria no buy, where you no get place, where you can't say, oh, he be musician, he used to be musician. Where you bring money, where you can't do your house, and doesn't mean say he be fool. You no help him. You never help that boy. That boy help you. Burna Boy there Nigeria where they play Shatta Wale in song, where they do video, it go viral. People they watch the whole of Nigeria. If anybody ever talks the Nigerians know they help Ghanaian music, tell them say them are one. Who even the media self know they hype you, Shatta Wale. But Burna Boy, they play your song, they hype you. where they in car inside the cruise, where throw money, where they hype you. Today you can't talk say Nigerians don't they support Ghana music. Nigerians don't they support Ghana music. Who support Sydney, VIP, and all those dems? Olamidemu, Sankofono, who they not support R2B's Monasefo. Sakodiamu, them all get links for them where they support the hair. God bless Sakodia. God bless any Nigerian musician. Where you see, make we no ball, because this thing it go cause confusion for the industry inside, the music industry inside. It go cause confusion. Shatawale, you are not safe. Shatawale, you are not safe. If you are among your own Ghanaians, you fuck you all up. Jupiter, Yahweh, you see me? Wale fuck me up. Ass up, and you come back and incite Nigerians, Ghanaians against Nigerians, making Ghanaians think that Nigerians are our problem. Hey, Nigeria and Ghana, we are brothers. We have one. Don't make nobody lie you. And don't fight your brother. If you are a Ghanaian, don't fight Nigerian. If you see your brother Nigerian in Ghana, help him, support him. Be clean in your heart, and God will make you. Human being know they make man. Don't let Shatawale incite you. It is xenophobic comment we make. Xenophobic. When we talk of xenophobia, do you understand? Xenophobia. People who believe that somebody is a theory that emphasizes on the belief that somebody is taking away your daily bread. Somebody is taking away your job. Somebody is taking away something that belongs to you. Nigerians are not taking our nothing. Nigerians are hustlers. They are brave people. They are warriors. They are good. They know business. They are doing business. And when they come to Ghana, they...
You don't see the video? Okay. For you to get more information, more updates from me, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Still your boy, Atakata One. Always remember, anywhere you are carried, they tell you say there is no saying a setup. Go and subscribe. Follow me up. Follow me for my Instagram. Follow me for my page. Like and follow. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. You don't pay money to do that. You're supporting us, so we can be able to be bringing more information for you. Okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to share. Thank you.